Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentations. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Palupi Wijayanti and my partners are Kristina Warniasih and Koryna Aviory. We are from Mathematics Education Universitas PGRI Yogyakarta. In this opportunity, I would like to present my research on when the pandemic COVID-19 situation should be driving mathematics teaching and learning at school. The topic of my presentation is problem solving. The students' skill level in mathematics, science, and technology through online learning. The aim of my research are to map and know the profile of students' problem-solving abilities in mathematics lessons that are carried out online learning. Moreover, it used to make the next plan and strategies of the teacher when teaching online learning. These presentations can be looked at under the following headings: introductions, theoretical review, methods, results, discussions, and conclusion. Firstly, I will share the introduction of my research. These are from here. Learning during the COVID-19 pandemic is very challenging in primary school, secondary school to college. Shifting direct learning to screen-based virtual simulation and other creative innovations can be an alternative to continue to achieve learning achievement indicators. Therefore, several policies by the department overshadow primary school educations to universities to implement distance education methods that can be reached by all students concerned. Learning by distance make it possible to use technological tools to convey learning informations. However, there are some impacts for students when online learning implied in mathematics teaching learning. These are math learning in schools doesn't give students the experience to display all the answers and procedures for competitions. The words provide information that students' math problem-solving skills are not maximal. It appears that students still do not use the competition procedures correctly when completing routine or non-routine questions. Students tend to write the final answer directly without writing down their first steps first. It opens up students' tendency to take solution from other friends to not develop the students' mindset about problem-solving skills. Going to the next part, theoretical review. Mathematical problem-solving indicators that are used in my instruments are: indicator A is identifying the elements known as an adequacy of the necessary component. For indicator B is formulating mathematical problems or devising mathematical models. For indicator C, implement strategies to solve the problems. And the indicator D, describe or interpreting troubleshooting the results. Move to the next part about methods. The type of research is quantitative descriptive research. This research was conducted at junior high school. We call it SMP Negeri 3 Jetis, located in Yogyakarta. The study was conducted on March to April 2020. It is implied that still on COVID-19 pandemic situations. The subject of this study is students. The subject of this study are students on 7th grade. The methods used to collect data on students' math problem solving skills using test instrument and documentations. The data from the test results of students' mathematical problem-solving skills were analyzed with the following criteria for test solving score. In the left hand, about problem-solving ability level interval judging by student grades, and in the right hand, about total interval of each indicator of problem-solving abilities. Okay, going to the next part about result. Before using the instrument, the researcher had passed the validation stage from the validator lectures, who was then tested. The instrument was analyzed using the IBM SPS 20 and Microsoft Excel programs to determine the item's quality based on validity, reliability, differentiation, and difficulty level. It also aims to assess the ability of students to solve math problems tests directly online. Furthermore, in the analysis used to determine the students' mathematical problem-solving skills, namely, the researchers calculated each indicator and the average achievement of the mathematics problem-solving ability steps, namely, the average value of the mathematical test of mathematical problem-solving skills. The results of students' math problem-solving abilities are as follows. In the left hand, about the categorization of troubleshooting capability, and then right hand about the average per aspect or per indicator of problem solving, mathematical problem solving. Okay. Going to the next part about discussion. These results reflect that the ability of students of junior high school in SMP N 3 Jetis in applying mathematics learning as a tool to solve problems in the form of contextual and included in the category is sufficient. It means that students do not have difficulty understanding problems, solving context-based issues, and turning them into math problems. As a reflection, these situations occurs because the researchers directly approach students in guiding them to study the contextual issues. Researchers do not limit the steps chosen by students to solve the problem with get the solutions. Also, researchers use contextual difficulties that were very close to the students' things. In the last part, conclusions, based on the analysis of the categorization of mathematics problem skill tests, we obtained that indicator A has an average of 52.26 with enough category. Indicator B has 75.79 with very high class. Indicator C has an average of 59.84 with high type, and indicator D 31.81 with low shots. Based on data analysis and discussion results, I found that several things that are still found aspects of indicators that have low categories, mean that many students even do not use the competitions procedure correctly. There is no and the others. There is no significant difference in categorizations between tests conducted directly and conducted online. This research is intended to know the extent of students' ability to solve problems with the correct procedures and the evaluation materials of educators to maximize the way of teaching problem-solving skills so that students' abilities are evenly distributed and in the expected categories. That's all of my presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.